Vice President Sara Duterte revealed that her father, former President Rodrigo Duterte, asked for help to campaign for the senatorial slate of the PDP. Here's the report.
Vice President Sara Duterte visited former President Rodrigo Duterte's hometown in Danao, Cebu on Tuesday. Her visit aimed to locate the resting place of her father's grandfather. After the search, she attended mass and took selfies with vendors and shoppers at the Danao Public Market. She also expressed her gratitude for the high trust rating she has received despite the issues surrounding her.
Well, nagulat ako nung nakita ko yung numbers ng pagtitiwala ng mga tao sa akin dahil sa sobrang dami ng lumabas ng paninira kung saan man, galing sa mga politiko, galing sa social media, lahat all sides merong paninira. Nakakagulat na tumataas yung numbers.
In addition, Vice President Sara addressed her recent endorsement of re-electionist Senator Amy Marcos and Representative Camille Villar. While she had previously stated that she would not endorse any candidates for the 2025 midterm elections, she explained that her stance changed after her father's arrest.
Kasi ang nag-trigger ng paglabas ko ay yung ginawa nila kay Pangulong Duterte. Nagkausap kami doon sa Hague at sabi niya, wala na ako, so pwede bang tulungan mo yung mga senators? So sabi ko, oo.
However, she clarified that her decision to endorse the two candidates was a personal choice and did not have her father's blessing.
Si Senator Amy Marcos, kilala niya ako, magkakilala kami. Si Camille naman ay matagal ko na rin siyang kilala.
When asked about if her endorsement had any connection to her impending impeachment trial, Vice President Sara expressed confidence that she would be acquitted. Aside from Cebu, the Vice President also visited Samar and Leyte. She is now planning a tour of Negros to personally thank her supporters.